Welcome back team to a day in the life of a property investor. So today I'm basically just going to take you through a day in the life of a property investor. So yeah, pretty much I'm renovating a house now, so I've pretty much just popped to B&Q just to get some no nails to stick some stuff back on, and also just some window sealant, basically just to seal the windows again. Just to stop that, basically some little airflow coming into the house. So yeah, pretty busy in here at the moment. Got all the floor in there, which will be going in pretty soon. It was meant to go in last week, but then we hit a bit of a snag when we brought up the flooring. We realised the water mains coming into the house is leaking, so we've got people coming out tomorrow to check that. The floor is concrete, so that's going to need digging up pretty much to fix that leak. Hopefully it's not too much money and not much of a delay, but pretty much all the kitchens here pretty much good to go. All the flooring is here, so pretty much all the painting's done, radiators are all done, all the painting's done. Electrics just need sockets put back on, but electricians are coming in the new year. But pretty much this week the flooring will go into the kitchen and through into the living room. Once that's done, the kitchen then will get put in. That's pretty much the kitchen done. Living room, once the flooring's done, that's pretty much done. And then I'll take you upstairs now. So yeah, living room, once the flooring's done, that's pretty much this room complete. And then upstairs, then carpet goes in a new year. So after 2 bedrooms are done, so yeah, all the painting's done here. Like I said, just needs a carpet now. Also, this bedroom just needs a carpet, and that is this fucking room done. The no nails is for that up there. You can't really see it because of the lighting. And it's just a bathroom then. It's just we're basically tiling the wall, vinyl flooring, new toilet, new sink, and then hopefully that's this room done as well then. So yeah, pretty much today is just going around checking the house. I'm doing most of the work myself, so that's why I'm here. Just come to drop off our stuff. Like I said, I'll come back tomorrow. It's Christmas, so I basically had 3 days off. Come back tomorrow. Got the plumber coming to check the pipe. I'll start installing all the flooring and the kitchen this week. And like I said, the carpet will then go in hopefully next month. And also the electrician will come in, finish off all the sockets. And that's pretty much this house good to go. So make sure you go check out that series. I am doing a series on renovating my first house, and I will be doing a complete breakdown of the costs, etc. at the end of the series. So hopefully next month or the month after, I'll have a video out on the full breakdown. So yeah, my days are pretty much either work on houses or searching for houses. So currently on the internet, looking at houses that's for sale, also comparing it to the rental and buying market. If you can find a house that's for rent and also for sale, then obviously that landlord is looking to sell a house but also looking to rent it at the same time. So it's probably worth trying to get in touch with that landlord and see if he's willing to sell it and basically source a deal to get hold of that property off him at a lower price than what it would be on the market. So that's what I'm currently doing, spending a lot of my time searching online where I'm not here. So I'm here pretty much all day. I go to the gym in the morning, 8 till 10, into the gym, straight to the house, work on the house, go home, and I'm basically searching for properties online. That's pretty much what a day in the life pretty much looks like for a property investor. A lot of investors basically just invest, buy properties, get builders to do the work, but I enjoy this process of buying a house, renovating it, and then basically either renting it out or refinancing it or flipping it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Please hit a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.